This is the extension one pressure washer. It's from 6 foot and it can extend to 20 feet. Extension, unpull the lever, and you can extend it up to 20 feet long. When you know how long you've wanted, you can just close it and it's stable. This is your 15-degree wand, one of the accessories. You connect it here firstly onto the edge of the pressure washer. Next, after that, we've got your U-shaped wand. This will connect at the end of your 15-degree. And after that, and lastly, we have the pivoting coupler. This is used for directional spray to change the direction of your accessory wands. These over here are your nozzle tips. They're used for spraying different angles and different degrees. Starting with your red one, 0 degree, and goes all the way up to the black one, the 65 degree. For your pressure washer, you'll get 2 adapters. Alright, so with your pressure washer, most hoses will be able to connect directly. But if it can't, as this hose can't, there's an adapter. At full extension, this one requires upper body strength. 2 shoulder harness gives you more control and helps you distribute the weight.